guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be doing this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, but the star of the show is the Tarte Tartlette and Bloom palette. It's so gorgeous, you already know. I used all these 4 shades here for the lid, and then I went with a bold lip. I don't know, I just really wanted to do something really fun, especially for Valentine's Day with your honey, or if you go out and you meet someone, you never know. That's basically it. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Then spray yourself with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and then this Makeup Step 1 Equalizer in the Mattyfying Primer. Going in with the Makeup Forever HD stick and the LUMI from L'Oreal, and I'm going to be doing this in sections. So I put the stick on first, and then I'll just take half a pump of the LUMI on and just blend that out in each area. Going with the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline, I believe, and going in with Bye Bye Under Eye from It Cosmetics in Neutral Medium, just kind of mixing those two together. So yeah, first I go in with the G6 from Morphe, just blending that out in under eye first, and then I'll just go in with my beauty blender. This brush is seriously amazing. Like, I don't know what I would do without it. Thank God I have 2, so I might buy more. Who knows? But yeah, just patting that in, and then using the end for the top part and then the nose. And then setting everything with Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder. I put it on my beauty blender first, under the eye, to let it kind of cook there for a bit, and then I just went in with the tapered brush and just kind of went in there and then set everything, just the concealer part. And then I'll be going in with the L'Oreal Infallable powder, and I'll just be powdering on my face to set everything there. So yeah, with a big Morphe brush. It's awesome. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and prime my eyes off camera, and now I'm back. And I'm going in with the Tartlette and Bloom palette. Just so gorgeous. I love it. You know the drill with that. You already know. Yeah, I was really, really pumped about it. So, and I was jamming to some music. So, you know the drill. So anyways, we're going to go with the E40, and we're going to be using that color there, which is called Sweetheart. And we're going to be putting that into the crease. Sweetheart. And we're going to be putting that in crease on each side. And then we're going to be taking the E25, but just make sure that you're blending in. And I basically put the color, the amount of pigment that I want on the actual brush and how I want it to look on my eyelid. And then we're going to be taking a Rebel in the palette and just doing that in the outer corner and then blending it onto the crease. And then after that, I take another E25 brush, and I'll be taking the leader color, and I'll be darkening that up because I want it to be really, really smoky. So yeah, but in between that, I definitely take the Sigma E40 with no additional product, and I just blend everything out. So here I'm taking leader, and I'm just putting that in to make it more dark. So yeah, just blending that all out. Make sure it's just in the corner and kind of into the crease a little bit, but nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to be taking a flat shader brush, and I'll be going in with Funny Girl. So that will be on the lid, and I basically will be sliding that on, as you can see, and it is just so gorgeous. Such a beautiful, pretty color. I'm so excited. So yeah, just doing both eyes, and then I add a little bit of more, I believe, of Rebel and maybe some leader, and just to make it more smoky and just kind of make sure there's no harsh lines either. So yeah, so just blending that all out. And then, yeah, I think I'm blending it and making it more darker and more smoky. And then I think I take a little bit of another brush, and I take Sweetheart, and I'm just blending that up into the crease so there's no harsh lines where I put the leader and Rebel to make it more dark. So just kind of blending. Key is blending it out. Seriously, like, when in doubt, blend it out. So yeah. And then I'll be going in with Maybelline Gel Studio Liner. I do that off camera. Then I'll be curling my lashes, coating them with that Maybelline Sensational Mascara. Seriously, that mascara is so amazing. I cannot complain about it. It is just a bomb. You need to get it in your life. So yeah. And then I'm going to be going in with the under eye, and I'm going to be taking Rebel and Leader, and I'll be putting that with a flat definer brush onto the lash line and then blending it out. I couldn't find my pencil brush, so then I ended up just taking one of the fluffy brushes that I used for my my eyelids, and I'm just going to be blending that out just like that. So it actually works if you are able to do it. If not, just find a pencil brush, but this actually makes it really more fluffy, and I don't know, I just liked how it turned out, so I just blended it out until everything. And then I started to coat my lashes, and I was like, whoa, I got too ahead of myself. So yeah, I'm gonna just line the waterline with the Nars eyeliner pencil, and then I'll be coating my bottom lashes with that, because if you do before, it gets messy and it's not cute. Not cute. Once I do that, I'm gonna be going in with KOKOLASHES in Queen Bee. Queen Bee, these lashes, never do me wrong. They're so fluffy, so fun. Oh, I love them. So I'm gonna do them off camera, and yeah. Look how gorgeous that is. See, lashes make the look, I swear. They make or break the look, and yeah. So anyways, I love this eye makeup look. I was very proud of it. And then we're gonna contour with the Tarteist contour palette with the F05 from Sigma brush. And I'm just gonna be doing the cheeks, the forehead, and then underneath the neck. You know the drill with that. And then after, I just take a brush, and I'm gonna be using the bronzing powder. I think I'm using the Ellie Goulding, I believe. And then I'm gonna be using the blush that's in the Tarteist contour palette. So yeah, I'm just using a fluffy brush with that pink color. It's really cute. It's really pretty pink. So here it kind of looks really harsh, but I did kind of blend it out. I am gonna like bake a little bit, I guess, underneath the cheekbones, and then I do kind of blend it out with a stippling brush, which I don't have on film, but I ended up kind of blending everything out so it's not so harsh. But yeah, see, I kind of do the like baking of the line there. Gonna be going in with Bobbi Brown's Shimmer Brick in Beige. I think this highlighter is available at Sephora, but I'm not too sure if it is. I apologize. I really wanted to go in Champagne Pop, but I really wanted to change it up. So going in onto the cheekbones, and then the brow bone, the nose, the cupid's bow, and the chin. Just highlighting everything possible. So yeah. And then I'm going to be snatching the nose, not with the contour sticks this time, but definitely with just some powder, and I just wanted it to be kind of there, nothing too crazy or intense. So going in with this Maybelline Nude lip liner, I believe. Maybelline just killing it in the game, but definitely haven't lined my lips in a while. I don't overdraw, but just going to be lining my lips, and then I'll definitely be topping it up with the star of the show for the lip color. So yeah. Hope you enjoy. And then the star of the show, I really wanted to use this called More Better from ColourPop. Yeah, I just really wanted to do a look with this, and yeah. So that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, don't forget, spray your face. I'm using Makeup Forever's Mist and Fix. I must have myself in the face. That is the finished look. I hope you like this look. It's perfect for Valentine's, and you and your sweetheart will go out and have a good time. But yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you liked it. Comment below on what was your favorite product that I used. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That being said, we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, and happy Valentine's.